Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is Rob Menghini. Today I can proudly show you my stunning Lambretta LD150 from 1956. It's an actual proper Italian Lambretta and it's matching engine and frame numbers, and it's registered 1956 in the UK, so it's a very rare bike. It has some fantastic optional extras like the Lambretta carry box on the back. Now that's actually cast iron. That is, I've took this off and it's solid cast iron, which is lovely. And look at that bracket on the back to hold the wheel. That's all solid cast. It's been fully restored by specialists, a very well-known specialist, and it's to die for. I absolutely love it. It's got a plaque there saying 1956. Really nice, the LDs. I love the way the actual headlights in the lower down than the top on this model, and the wheel turns with the fender. How cute is that? It's got a beautiful bird motif. I've never seen that before. Really cute. I'll fire it up in a minute to let you hear it. Got the twin seats. You Lambretta guys would appreciate this, I'm sure. So lovely. Like all the headstock, all in polished aluminium as well, which is really nice. Right, I'll show you under the engine cover. So there's this one here, you push it down. I will pause the video because I'm doing it one-handed. Okay, and there we are. Cover off. Very clean in there. It's got the engine number and the frame number. Engine number is here. I checked it all out on the V5 and it's all matching. And the frame number, I can't remember where it is now, but I checked it yesterday. Memories, eh? Beautiful bit of kit. Right, and there is the frame number in there. I should have known that. Right in there. Right then, so I'll attempt to fire it up. This is rather nice. On the fuel tap it says C, which means chiuso, that's closed in Italian. Then A, which is just there, it says A, which means aperto, which is open, and then R for reserva. So I'm going to put it onto A for aperta, and the choke is here, so you just pull that up there like so, and it should fire up. There's no key. How cute is that? I'll turn the choke off. Lovely. I left the horn on this. How weird is that? Listen to this. Very nice. And that's the kill button there. There we go. Hopefully you'll hear me now. I'll put it back on close. So there we go. 1956 Lambretta LD150. Completely original but restored. Lovely bike. Hope you liked the video. Please like and subscribe, as there's going to be more to follow in the future. Thanks a lot then, guys. Bye.